Hey everybody, it is March 30th and 31st, and today is unit test day. So a student is comparing and contrasting the structure of atoms in different elements. Diagrams of 4 atoms are shown below. Which 2 atoms represent the same group in the periodic table? So we would look at these, and I think our first suggestion might be is to look at valence electrons or look at numbers of protons. So as we're looking at our periodic table, that is how you would want to handle this. So at this point, it looks like numbers in the same group. And remember, that's left, right. That would be for numbers 2, and number 7, and numbers... That would be numbers 4, 7, and 10. So that would be numbers atom 2, atom 3, and atom 4. They are all in the same group. That's left, right. So how did you figure out the following? An element's identity. Well, we can look at its number of protons because that matches the atomic number. Its level of reactivity by the number of electrons, valence electrons it has in the outer shell. And the charge of the nucleus. Remember, the charge. So I want to make sure if it's, and that is by the protons in it. So there we go. All right, so here's what we're going to do. Yesterday's exit ticket, we looked at this. We're going to look at it again. If you go through and read all of this, what we came up with, that it conducts heat, that could be which of these elements is in this group. Group meaning left, right. So we have, let's see, calcium and... Nope, not that one. We have lithium and fluorine together. That's awesome. They're in the same group. That means the left, right. So today we're going to talk about demonstrating your understanding of the atom in the periodic table. We can determine the identity, the number of valence electrons, its reactivity. We can label them as metal or nonmetals. We can calculate all those parts, and we can use our unit vocabulary successfully. So let's see. Oops. Sorry. Got to get in trouble with my mouse here. So we're going to take 10 minutes if you're in class to review that periodic table basics so you can check everything out. There will be an Everything So Far review Kahoot, and there will also be a virtual lab extension posted for you to do. But what I really want you to do is then when you're finished, check out your digital notebook. It should be 100% done. We've done that. You may even graph what you think is your approximate grade is. Submit it. Check for anything missing, and then we're going to watch the Edpuzzle for our last unit called Chemical Reactions, and that, my friends, is going to be over here. You're going to see that here. It's going to be Chemical Reactions with Bill Nye. It's 10 minutes and 38 seconds, and it is got some questions, so that's what you'll be doing after the test. All right, friends, you have a great day. We will see you on Friday, the 1st, April Fool's Day, when we talk about and review what we need to review for the unit before we head into chemistry. Have a great one.